We use it every single day to stay clean. But have you ever wondered how millions of bars of soap are produced in just 24 hours? Welcome to the Mega Factory.
From a simple vegetable oil to a rock-hard bar, the journey involves dangerous chemicals, extreme heat, and incredible engineering. Let's go inside.
It all starts with raw vegetable oil. Huge tankers deliver tons of palm or olive oil, which is pumped directly into the factory's storage silos.
Here, the oil meets a strong alkali called lye. This triggers a chemical reaction known as saponification, turning the oil into soap.
The mixture is boiled for hours. This cooking process ensures that the oil and lye are perfectly combined into a thick, hot soap paste.
To purify the soap, salt is added. This causes the mixture to separate. Heavy glycerin and impurities sink to the bottom and are drained away. Clean. The hot liquid is sprayed into a drying tower. Here, it instantly turns into solid soap noodles, ready for the next step.
Now comes the character. Fragrance oils and color dyes are added to the mixer, blending everything into a uniform, scented dough.
Steel rollers crush the mixture repeatedly. This milling process removes any grit, making the soap perfectly smooth and silky.
An extruder machine squeezes the soap under immense pressure, pushing it out as one continuous, solid log.
High-speed cutters slice the continuous log into smaller, precise blocks called billets. The speed is incredible.
This is the stamper. With tons of pressure, it molds the rough block into a smooth, curved bar and stamps the brand logo in a split second.
Quality control is strict. Any bar with even a tiny scratch is removed and sent back to be melted down. Zero waste.
Drain of it. Finally, the wrapping machine folds the packaging around the soap and heat seals it, protecting the freshness inside.
Robotic arms pick up the bars and pack them into cartons. Lasers mark the batch code, ensuring every box is traceable.
Cartons. Heavy-duty robots stack the cartons onto pallets, which are then wrapped in plastic and moved to the warehouse.
From here, millions of bars are shipped to stores across the country, ready to reach your bathroom shelf.
So the next time you wash your hands, remember the incredible engineering behind that simple bar of soap. Stay clean and see you next time. Cleanliness is engineering.